Assalaamu alaykum. Welcome to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. In this lesson, we're looking through the forward exercise with stopping symbols on page 51 of the Safar Abridged Qa'idah. Now, I love what they've done here. They've made this the whole topic of the stopping symbols very simple. You may stop on any symbol except lam alif without a circle underneath it. So in other words, if you see this lam alif without any circle underneath it, you must continue. Everywhere else, you either stop um, or you have the option to stop or continue. But on that lam alif, you must continue. Okay. You want to really focusing on stopping as much as possible. Really, whenever you see these symbols apart from the lam alif. At this stage, at this basic stage, reading small sentences is easier than trying to become fluent in reading big sentences. Okay, but inshallah that will come as well. So we start with box number one. قُمِ اللَّيْلَ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا. Okay, it's got the lam alif with the circle. Stop. أَلَا يَعْلَمُ مَنْ خَلَقَ. طَ. Stop. Box three. الرحمن فاسأل به خبيرا. جيم with the circle underneath. Stop. شديد العقاب ذي الطول. The lam alif, if you can see it in the middle of that sentence, that means you got to continue there. You cannot stop. شديد العقاب ذي الطول. This is the aim of this lesson. Box number five. وصاحبهما في الدنيا معروفا. There's a za symbol there. Stop. وبرزوا لله الواحد القهار. The circle there. Stop. Box number seven. إلى ربك يومئذ المساق. طا there. Stop. ولي في الدنيا والآخرة. جيم there. Stop. Box number nine. ولا تطيعوا أمر المسرفين. Lam alif with a circle. Stop. Box number 10. وأحصى كل شيء عددا. Ain with a circle. Stop. Box number 11. وإليك أنبنا وإليك المصير. There's a circle there, so stop. Box 12. لا فسوق ولا جدال في الحج. Here we have the lam alif in the pretty much a third of the way through that sentence. لا فسوق ولا جدال في الحج. So on that lam alif we cannot stop, we have to continue. But on the ta at the end of the sentence, we can stop there. Box number 13. الملك يومئذ الحق للرحمن. Sorry, got a bit muddled there. One second, read that one again. Box 13. الملك يومئذ الحق للرحمن. طا there. Stop. تلك آيات الكتاب المبين. Little small a little circle with a qaf above it. Stop. Box number 15 now. ولا تيأسوا من روح الله. طا. Stop. Box 16. أطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول. Jim symbol there. Stop. Box number 17 now. لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم. So in the middle of that sentence we have a lam alif indicating that we cannot stop there. We have to continue. So it becomes huwal. You have to read like that. لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم. And 18, box number 18. ألم نجعل الأرض كفاتا. So there's lam alif with a circle. You stop there. Okay, so hopefully you found that lesson beneficial. Like I said, they've taken what can be quite a complicated subject and made it very simple in this basic way, mashallah. May Allah Ta'ala give them jaza, the people at Safar Publications. May Allah Ta'ala keep you patient, keep you learning. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.